Welcome to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at how to create a sports journal or notebook size 7.5 by 9.25. So let's head over to Google. In Google, type in KDP cover template. Once you have typed in that selection, select the first option. Once that option is selected, it will carry you to this page where we can enter your book information. Firstly, they're asking for the binding type. We're going to select paperback, interior type, black and white. If you are doing a colored interior, you can select the appropriate option. White paper, page turn direction, left to right. Measurements, we're going to keep that in inches. And the interior trim, you're looking at 7.5 by 9.25. And for the purpose of this book, we are going to use 150 pages. Then we select Calculate Dimensions. Once we select Calculate Dimensions, we will see a breakdown in terms of the book cover and the various margins. Download a template. Once you have downloaded the template, it will go into a download zip folder. Open the PNG folder. And as we can see, the cover shows us the overall dimensions, and this is what we are looking for in order to create our book cover accurately. And in Canva, you want to put in the book dimensions, 15.565 by 9.5 inches. Ensure that your measurement is in inches. Right, so we're going to put in 15.565 by 9.5, and you simply select Create New Design. Once you select Create New Design, it would carry you to this page, creating a blank canvas with the correct measurements. Now at this juncture, you would want to upload your paperback template. So you go into your upload section and select upload and upload your paperback template. I've already uploaded mine, so I'm just going to select it. Have your paperback template on your blank canvas. You can select it and you can adjust its transparency so that you're not affected in terms of what you are seeing to the back whilst you're working. And you can also lock it in if you do not want it to be moving whilst you are working. All right. So now what we are going to do is to find a sports background. I've already pre-selected my type of sports journal, and it's going to be volleyball. So what you can do is to go firstly to photos, and you can type in volleyball, and we can go through to see what are some of the free options available. I like the first option, so I'm going to select this option. So because I want more of the ball and the net in the picture, I will have to adjust the photo. I'm going to look for a back page, and I'm going to select this option here. And I'm just flipping the picture direction. And again, adjusting it to suit the size of the back page. We can go into elements and insert a line. You want to rotate that line. And this line could be used as the binding area for our journal or notebook. All right, so once we get that line at a 90-degree angle, we're just going to pull it forward to both ends of the book. And then we are going to adjust its size. And we will adjust it to make sure that we see this little purple line or pink line that's appearing in Canva that will let us know that the line is in the middle of the book. And if we select the line color option, we can play around with the color of the line as well. If we want it to be yellow, another color, whatever color we believe blends in good with the book, we can choose that option here. Now we are going to put in some little detail information for the front so that you can identify this is your sports journal. Select a shape. Gonna select a square. You can carry that over to this side. Pull the lines. Then we go to text. You can see add a little bit of body text. Name and position, please. And we align it to suit. Now, once it's aligned, we can change the font that is being used. Highlight it and select finger paint. And then I'm going to just adjust the size of the wording and also put some spacing in between it. If you want to adjust the spacing, you simply select on this option. I am going to use dots. All right, and I'm going to go and select again another text. This is going to be add a subheading, and I'm going to type in sports journal. Or you can put sports notebook, whichever you choose. I'm going to put it to the top here. Then I'm going to utilize the effects in Canva. And as you can see, you can use shadow, lift. All of these changes the look of the wording. And I am going to go with the neon effect. And I will change the color text from being black to yellow. So there are various color options available. I'm going to leave it like this. So right now we can see that we have our sports journal book cover. So guys, in this video, you would have learned how to create a sports journal or notebook cover for 7.5 by 9.25 inches. In our next video, we will look at creating the pages for this book cover. So I hope you have found this video helpful. Thank you for listening to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment and click that notification bell so you can be alerted of all our videos. Thanks for viewing.